Victor Bullard.
My name is Victor and I'm from Bristol. I don't think I can find it in me to sugarcoat my anger about the situation as a student in the Bristol Warren Regional School District. I truly don't understand how we want to stop the virus but refuse to do the measures that will stop it, such as masking, vaccinating, socially distancing, and so forth. For a lot of people in this community, personal choice means a lot, especially in this pandemic. Personal choice of whether to wear masks, get vaccinated, etc. However, in many cases, personal choice is put above public health and safety. Many are more willing to potentially spread disease than wear a cloth over their mouths, and that is where personal choice becomes selfishness. Some people don't have this choice. My friend and fellow rising sophomore at Mount Hope, Grayson Latiri, and his family have given me permission to share his situation and their concerns. Grayson was diagnosed with cancer in the 3rd grade and battled it throughout elementary school when he stopped treatment in 5th grade and has been in remission for almost 5 years. During his chemotherapy, he experienced an anaphylactic reaction to polyethylene glycol, or PEG, which is in one of his treatments. The Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine, the only one currently approved for children ages 12 to 16, as some may know, contains PEG. The Moderna vaccine, though not approved for children yet, also contains PEG. Johnson & Johnson is the only COVID-19 vaccine that does not, rather containing polysorbate. However, it is unknown how long that will take to be approved for distribution for children. Last year, during school, he had the option to be fully virtual to protect himself as an immunocompromised student. This year, he will not have that option. Grayson, in addition to being immunocompromised, cannot receive the COVID-19 vaccine. This whole pandemic, he has had to wear masks everywhere. He has not gotten the opportunity to choose whether to do so or not. What are he and students like him to do to protect themselves from this deadly virus while going to school around students and staff who choose not to wear masks? If masks are not enforced in schools during the 2021 to 2022 school year, how can they stay safe? Students and families in vulnerable positions like this should not be forced to choose between their education and their health, their lives. For some, it is not the choice between being free and being a kid and wearing a mask. It is the choice between being alive and not wearing a mask. Parents like Grayson's mother should not have to decide between keeping their children safe and helping their children get a high school education. The bare minimum we as a community and you as a committee can do to keep immunocompromised and otherwise vulnerable students, families, and staff safe is to enforce mask wearing in schools this coming school year. If I'm being honest, I don't like wearing masks either. But my personal discomfort with them that happens on occasion does not go above other people's lives. Thank you.